Hey everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to learn about 10 businesses with little to no capital. Starting a business with no money may initially appear impossible when you think about it, but it's not impossible. The firms shown here demonstrate that starting a business doesn't always require a large amount of capital. In reality, there are situations when you can start off with little to no money at all. But before you make a decision, ask yourself these questions. Does this company offer any services? Are many people in need of this service? Do the profit margins seem appropriate? Will I learn a skill from this endeavor that I can use later on? Here are 10 suggestions on what you may do if you're still unsure about how to launch a business with no money. Number 1. Consultant. You therefore possess the necessary knowledge to provide advice to others but lack the resources to establish a consulting practice. It may be put together for less than $100. For a start, all you really need is a respectable website and exposure. In order to draw people to your business through paid advertisements like Google Ads, you must be specific about the type of consultation you're offering and set appropriate charges. Some websites bundle free domains with their hosting plans. This will lower your costs for the first year. With about $10, you may print off some inexpensive business cards to boost your exposure. These cards can be distributed in a variety of ways. You may distribute them at a nearby event or even while mingling with random folks. You can use some of your revenues to create a more professional front for your consultancy business once you've attracted a few clients that value your expertise above a flashy presentation. Number 2. Blogging. When you are interested, passionate, or knowledgeable about a particular subject, you are ready to start a blog. However, not all blog hosting is cost-free. Most hosting services, such free blog sites like Blogger, allow you to establish your own website, but be sure to get your own hosting for a reasonable price if you want to do that. This will remove any restrictions put on your site and explain the different ways you can earn money. Blogging is more than just writing. Writing is a good place to start with anything. The world is your oyster because you may publish pictures, videos, and connections to other websites or articles. Engaging themes should be covered in your material. Your area of expertise, advice, and anything else noteworthy is your specialty. Becoming original is crucial. You'll attract the best audiences with original material. Another idea is to update your blog frequently. You plan a day of the week or month there that your audience will see something you post. To make money, you'll need the support of your audience. You may expand your audience and develop your business with the aid of search engine optimization. Therefore, it would be wise to gain some knowledge about it. When it comes to earning money, there are a few money-making partnerships you should be aware of before registering for Google AdSense. You'll need links like blog ad networks and affiliate marketing to make money. These are brand partnerships, clicks on advertising, pay-per-view, promotions, and marketing campaigns. Additionally, you can design and market your own online course in your specialty. Number 3. Property managers. It sounds like a difficult occupation that requires someone with industry knowledge, but it isn't as difficult as it seems. Consider it the adult equivalent of common teenage duties like mowing the lawn and shoveling snow. You get to assist small to medium-sized landlords all over the world as a property manager. Take good care of their property. The duties might range from merely answering tenant calls and scheduling maintenance to actually performing the repairs and landscaping yourself. If you want to provide a full range of services, you might even offer to show potential tenants residences and collect rent in exchange. Finding a list of local landlords and contacting them with your best offer is all that is required. You could introduce yourself and the services you want to provide. Number 4. Dropshipping. The beauty of this trade is being able to operate a physical product business with the luxury of having no inventory at all. There is no handling of deliveries in addition to tasking stock, counting, and replenishing. The company lessens the expense of keeping a warehouse stocked with goods and the hassle of making nationwide or local deliveries. You only devote time and resources to marketing and advertising if you want to generate sales. All the other items are taken care of by your distributor when you make a transaction. You must have a few things in place before operating a profitable dropshipping business. You start by putting up a list of products for sale on your chosen platform. For instance, you might promote on Amazon, eBay, your website, or blog to get visitors there. Once a buyer has made a purchase, you can then buy the identical item for less from a manufacturer, wholesaler, or drop shipper. Recall that the purchase has already been made. With no need to purchase inventory, the manufacturer, wholesaler, or drop shipper will deliver the goods to the client. It's really that simple. And the best part is that drop shipping can take place from any location in the world. Drop shipping gives you a chance to have a wide selection of products while lowering your operating costs by making the inventory endless. Finding a trustworthy drop shipper who will efficiently and promptly deliver goods to your consumers is necessary for this kind of business strategy. You can label your products to maximize the potential of this business. You might ask the producer to brand or mark the goods with your own name. As a result, there won't be price competition as you won't be offering the same product brand. You'll have less competition and have your own brand. You might take into consideration a few if you're really interested in starting your own internet dropshipping firm. Having your own internet store is one. Number 5. Bookkeeping. Before you shy away because you don't own a CPA 1, doesn't truly require one to run a profitable bookkeeping firm. Selling through an already established market is one of the most sought-after services that small businesses contract out to part-time independent contractors. The majority of the task will be simple data entry and bill payment. All you need is a working familiarity of Excel. Additionally, there are many free online training programs that you can sign up for if you want to hone your talents even further. These programs will be helpful to you. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Posting someone else's items and getting paid for them may sound like a modern-day fraud if you decide to launch your own business in the future. But affiliate marketing is actually a good cash cow. Becoming an indirect influencer for various things is one of the simplest ways to do this. There are a lot of affiliate partners who are constantly seeking users to join their platforms and broaden the audience for their goods. You better believe it. A lot of people use affiliate marketing. If you do it correctly, you start by choosing a successful niche for your internet business. The next step is to locate an associate partner who has products related to your niche. Companies like Amazon.com, CJ Affiliate by Conversant, ClickBank, and many others are examples of such affiliates. These websites provide tangible goods and digital information products that you might be interested in, such as audio and video files, ebooks, and other media. There are several brand corporations that run publicly accessible affiliate programs. You can promote affiliate marketing and sell their items if you have a blog or website. Every product will have a special link attached to it that links to your affiliate partner's account. Affiliate marketing requires no investment other than marketing and advertising traffic that you'll need to generate more purchases. If someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase there, that purchase is recorded and you are paid a commission. Commission percentages depend on the affiliate partner you have and your agreements. The fact that this extends beyond only physical and digital commodities is a plus. Some websites, particularly for those hospitality businesses, also provide affiliate marketing services. Number 7. Air and service. Although starting this online business is fairly simple and hands-off, there may be times when you need to leave the house to do a certain duty. You can charge a small fee for your services for things like laundry and shopping, especially if you live in a wealthy neighborhood. You'd be surprised at what some people will pay to avoid having to do tedious tasks like grocery shopping, dry cleaning runs, and scheduling travel and doctor's appointments. You can work as a personal assistant for extremely wealthy and busy people. You might need to be active most of the time and have plenty of time to be up and moving for this kind of business. To make it simpler for others to find you, you might start by posting content to your social media profiles for your friends and family to share. You could also consider creating an online portfolio for a local listing. Because several duties may be involved, it's beneficial to have a particular or standard rate card that your clients can modify to suit their demands. Number 8. T-Shirt Designer. Comparable to dropshipping on demand, the luxury might be extended to printing. Sites like Cafe Press allow you to set up for a free account where you can create and upload your own designs to be printed on t-shirts and other products if you do not want to fully customize your packaging. The great thing about it is that you can find a ton of stock photos and graphics online. If you lack an artistic eye, hiring a reasonable priced designer to create a logo for your brand and launch a movement for it is another strategy. You might recruit ambassadors or influencers with a respectable social media engagement rate to promote your brand in exchange for free merchandise. A fantastic strategy to increase income is to follow seasonal trends rather than a brand model. For instance, the design should evoke the holiday spirit or bring in the new throughout the month of December. February will be dedicated to lovers t-shirt. Number 9. Interior Designer. Interior designers can offer interior design and planning services without incurring significant upfront fees if they have a keen eye for design. The beauty of it is that you might charge your clients a percentage of the whole cost upfront, which will lower your outlay for project-related materials. You may also try your hand at the consultation portion of the job description, which is also a lot of fun. Number 10. Photography. The majority of photography firms demand studio gear or other potentially expensive expenses. However, all you need is a camera and an internet connection to snap pictures and sell them on stock photography websites. Although it may appear complicated at first, all you really need is a respectable camera and a free online course on basic photography. Additionally, this will increase your visibility and open doors for potential future partnerships. On the plus side, you might build a sizable library once you decided on the genre of photography you want to pursue, improving your chances. These are just a few to help you get started. Here's one of the millennial ways that allows you to make profitable money online right from the comfort of your own home. And as a matter of fact, you can take it with you anywhere you go. If that interests you, make sure to click the first link down below to find out. Thank you guys so much for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next one.